Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with part one of a three-part video series on Fannie Mae property insurance requirements. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of Fannie Mae guidelines. Also, this video was issued on January 16th, 2018, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. All right, so let's take a look at general property insurance coverage requirements. So the coverage must protect against loss or damage from fire or other hazards covered by the standard extended coverage amount. And the claims should be settled on a replacement cost basis, so a replacement of the property. Now, extended coverage must include damage from the following items: wind and hail, civil commotion, including riots, smoke damage, aircraft, vehicle, or explosion. Now, coverage that limits or excludes damage from windstorms, hurricanes, hailstorms, or any other perils that are typically included under the extended endorsement coverage is not acceptable by Fannie Mae. When it comes to first mortgage requirements, 100% of the insurable value of the improvements is what is required as established by the property insurer or the unpaid principal balance, and it must equal 80% of the insurable value of the improvements. So this is required to compensate for the damage or loss on a replacement cost. In part 3 of this video, I'm going to actually show you the breakdown in a chart on how you can actually calculate what the required amount is. Now, when it comes to second mortgage requirements, it's really the same as the first. So as the first mortgage requirements, however, the lender is required to make sure that the borrower has appropriate endorsements and appropriate insurance coverage to bring it in line with Fannie Mae requirements if they do not. So if you have a situation where a borrower doesn't have a first mortgage, they just have a home equity line of credit lien or something like that, it's still going to require that coverage to be in line with Fannie Mae. All right, that concludes part one of this three-part video series. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org to look for the weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, loan officers, processors, closers, post-closers. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.